Welcome students to this Target MSTCT series, which is your road to VJTI, CO, EPSPC and all the cream colleges of engineering that you must be targeting. So as we have been already been continuing with our series, wherein I cover some important PYQs, right, previous year questions. Today I am going to explore chemistry. Alright, since I got a lot of requests with respect to chemistry as well, that sir please cover chemistry, I'm going to take some important previous year questions on chemistry. I hope you are enjoying the series. Please share it with your friends who can take advantage of this particular series and keep supporting us. Let's have a look at this particular question that appeared in 2021 MHT CET. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन क्या बोलता है? 0.05 F electricity is passed through CuSO4 solution. Calculate the mass of Cu produced at the cathode, and they have given you the molar mass of Cu as 63.5 gram per mole. Correct? The first thing that you should do over here is calculate the equivalent mass of copper. Equivalent mass of copper, and this is nothing but your atomic mass upon your valency. Your atomic mass upon your valency. So in case of copper, it is nothing but 63.5 divided by 2. Valency of copper is 2. Correct? So what do you get? You get the value as equivalent of mass of copper as 31.75. Correct? This is the equivalent of mass of copper. Correct? Now, amount, what is the question? They are asking you the mass of Cu produced at the cathode, right? So amount of copper that is being deposited by how much? 0.05 electricity is equals to nothing but 0.05 into this equivalent mass, that is 31.75. As simple as this, guys, right? As simple as this. And this would come down to something around 1.58 75, which safely you can mark as 1.59 approximately, which is there in your options as well. Let's have a look at question number 2. Again CET 2021 का क्वेश्चन है, इंपॉर्टेंट है, और ये क्वेश्चन काफ़ी बार आपको CET में देखने मिलेगा. मैं इसमें 2-3 वैरायटी पे बता दूंगा आपको जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. इफ़ एन alkane contains n number of atoms which are carbon atoms, the number of oxygen molecules required for combustion is. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल्स रिक्वायर्ड इज. ठीक है, सबसे पहले तो यू शुड नो दैट स्टैंडर्ड रिएक्शन. बिफोर दैट you should know what is the standard representation of an alkane. CnH2n plus 2, 2n plus 2, राइट. अगर इतने ये आपका अल्केन है तो इसके लिए यू रिक्वायर 3n plus 1 by 2 oxygen molecules. Then only you get NCO2 plus n plus 1 H2O, which is complete combustion. So how many molecules do you require? You require 3n plus 1, which is option A. अभी चलो, आपको ये पता नहीं था, अभी आपको पता चल गया है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे n इज़ द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स, ये आप लिख लो. ऑलराइट. बहुत बार क्या होगा कि आपके एग्ज़ाम में ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा कि नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ O2 रिक्वायर्ड फॉर कंप्लीट कंबशन ऑफ 1 mole of propane. 1 mole of propane. So in this case what you will do, आपको पता है प्रोपेन का फॉर्मूला C3H8 है. करेक्ट. C3 मतलब n की वैल्यू 3 है, यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू बस यहाँ पे डाल दो, तो 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2, इतना O2 लगेगा आपको, right? 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So you would require 5 oxygen molecules to complete the combustion of 1 mole of propane. Are you understanding? So they can ask you anything. They can ask you 1 mole of propane, they can ask you 1 mole of butane, anything. You should know this particular standard reaction. Let's have a look at this particular question. Okay, very good question and an important one. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम लोग एक बहुत important law use करने वाले हैं. A gas is heated from 273 Kelvin to 373 Kelvin at 1 atmosphere. If the initial volume of gas is 10 liters, its final volume would be. ठीक है, so here we have T1 as 273, we have T2 as 373, and we have got V1 as 10 liters, and we need to find out the V2. Alright, now what are we going to use over here? We are going to use Charles law. ठीक है, I hope you know what is the Charles law. Alright, it is V1 upon T1 is equals to V2 upon T2. Alright, so what is V1 over here? Just plug in the values over here. 10 upon T1 is 273 is equals to V2 is what we are calculating over here, and T2 is 373. Alright, so if I just take this 373 over here and 10 by 273, this is equals to V2. And if you solve this, approximately what you're going to get over here is 13.66 liters, or this is also equals to 13.66 dm3, which is option B. And this is also a previous year question, and again guys, a very important law that you should be aware about. Let's have a look at the fourth question. The relation between root mean square velocity of H2 at 50 Kelvin and that of O2 at 800 Kelvin is. Alright, so पहले तो आपको रूट मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला आना चाहिए, बट पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे गिवन लिख देंगे। गाइस सबसे पहले ना आप पेपर में ना गिवन अच्छे से नोट डाउन कर लो, इससे क्या होगा ना फॉर्मूला और ये सॉर्ट आउट करने में आपको ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन होता नहीं है। ठीक है, T1 is equals to 50 Kelvin. Alright, this is for H2. T2 is equals to 800 Kelvin. This is for O2. Alright, and we know root mean square, root mean square velocity is URMS is equals to root of 3RT upon M. करेक्ट। अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, UH2 upon UO2 लेंगे सीधा। UH2 upon UO2 using this same formula, what do we get is T1 upon M1 is equals to M2 upon T2। करेक्ट, ये सेम फार्मूला, क्योंकि देखो ना ये R और 3 तो कांस्टेंट है तो कट हो जाते हैं। करेक्ट, ना this becomes, we know the values for T1 which is 50, mass is 2 into यहाँ पे 32 है। करेक्ट, और यहाँ पे कितना आएगा T2 800। करेक्ट, ये हमने हाइड्रोजन का लिया और ये ऑक्सीजन का मास लिया। ठीक है, इफ़ यू सॉल्व दिस यू विल गेट योर आंसर एज 1, बिकॉज ये पूरा कट हो जाता है, ये और ये कट हो जाता है। सो व्हाट यू गेट इज 1, एंड हेंस सी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट चॉइस। Let's have a look at the next question. What is the SI unit of conductivity? Again, I think we have just forgot to specify it over here, but this is an MHTCET 21 question, alright, appeared in 2021. And the SI unit of conductivity is nothing but Siemens per meter. Alright, hence D is the correct option. So thanks a lot everyone for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this particular series and you are learning a lot out of it. I'm sure that at the end of this series, if you know diligently and religiously follow ये series, आपके जो भी percentile CET का है उसमें you will have an improvement. So if you have any specific suggestion or if you want any specific series that I should introduce in this particular channel, please free to comment, and do not forget to please share, subscribe and comment on my particular video and support us. Thanks a lot.